you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the August bag by Shabby Lane. Do you want to know what's in my bag? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the August bag by Shabby Lane just arrived. They did actually send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your subscription to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, it's been a while since I've been to my post office. It's been like a week and a half to almost 2 weeks. I've had so many other things to be doing. So I ran over there just thinking I was grabbing normal mail, and this was in there. I honestly did not know that I was getting another one. So thank you for sending me another one to show my viewers. Last month was the first time I brought this to my channel, and I really loved the shirt. I love the meaning. I love the reasoning behind everything. And I also love following them on Instagram, and I explained that to you guys in the first video. If you want to follow them on Instagram, they post some amazing, like, inspirational posts all the time, which I love to see. They're so uplifting. It just makes me feel good to read them. It just puts a smile on my face. So if you want to follow them so you can be inspired as well, definitely follow them on their Instagram. But if you would like to check out the subscription, I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty20, to save you 20% off your very first month if you would like to sign up. So basically every single month, it seems like there's a new mystery shirt. It could be a different color, a different saying, all of that, but you get to choose the size when you do sign up. Let's go ahead and see what is in the August. I actually did purchase a few shirts myself. That's a great thing. You don't have to just go to a subscription. You can purchase your own individual shirts on their site, so you can choose the color, the size, all the sayings, and they have so many different ones. Like, I was looking through their site forever just to narrow it down to these 3 that I really wanted. So I'm definitely going to be looking from time to time. Anytime I need some new shirts, I know where to go. They're all in the Bella and Canvas, which are my favorite. They're super soft. I love the way that they wear, and I mean, I have no issues with their shirts. So I was so excited to see that it was on that type. And one of you guys commented that they're always on them. So I'm like, that's right. I love the Bella and Canvas. They're just super comfortable. Ooh, this is a really pretty color. And I don't think I have anything with this type of a color. That is gorgeous. And one thing, you do have like a little surprise, which is on this side, which we will see. And then there's like just some positive inspirational cards in there that you can keep, you can put up, you can use them as cards, like if you mail something to somebody. I just love everything that comes in here. It's so thoughtfully curated and packaged and all of that. So down inside, again, let's go ahead and get everything out. Oh my goodness. And it looks like one of those wish flowers on there, but they have hearts all over them instead of the wispy things that fall off. This is adorable. Okay, so let's go with these little papers on top that I was saying. This is positive vibes. Your mind will believe what you constantly tell it. Isn't that the truth? Isn't that the truth? And then the next one, it says scatter kindness. Look at how beautiful. So yeah, you can put these anywhere. You can frame them. You can use them as cards and write your own message on the back of them. I just love these. I think there's one more on the other side, right? Yep, there's something else on the other side. So here's these 2. Let me set those right in front of me. And then before we dive into the shirt, this is the little goodie bag that comes inside. It says, be the reason why people believe in pure hearts, good vibes, and kind souls. Isn't that amazing? And then there is a piece of paper in here, and it says, friend, scatter the kindness everywhere. You can never do too much kindness. It will also help you. I hope you receive so much kindness in return. Sending you all the love and kind vibes today. I'm so incredibly grateful for you. Because of you, I am able to do what I love. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. With much love, Catherine, the shop owner of Shabby Lane Shop. So you do have that in there as well. And then here is the little goodie in here. That's just an extra thing that's added on top of the shirt. So here's 2 different bracelets. This one has little things that are hanging off of it. Isn't that just so unique and different? And I like the neutral colors in here as well. So they're stretchy. You can put them. This is just so cool with all these little things that are hanging. Yeah, so you have 2 different bracelets. Again, that's just on top of the shirts, and they're always different. Let's go with the shirt. And what I was saying, how I was like, oh my gosh. See, it's the little wish flowers, but there's hearts. Isn't that adorable? And it says scatter kindness. Look at it. That is just, I love that image. I love that image. And again, I just love everything that they represent, because they're definitely sending you positivity, good vibes, just feeling good, just always about uplifting and uplifting others, not just yourself. So look at, and I love that color. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. So that is for August. You have this shirt, you have the paperwork, and then you have your little gift. Okay, you guys. So again, that is everything for August. If you want to see the shirts that I got, luckily I haven't like washed them and put them away yet. I still kind of had it in my box. So it did come down like this. And oh yeah, there was free things in here as well. See, I completely forgot. It's been a while. So it says, we rise by lifting others. That's just a little sticker that they put on the top to decorate the box. Just attention to detail is just spot on with this company. And that's what I noticed from the very first time I unboxed the last one. And then down to my own personal order that I placed. Like, so this was just a free gift inside. And it says, we rise by lifting others. The same sticker on the top is right here in smaller form. And let me show you what is in here. Oh, it is a really cute bag. So you have like this teal green tassel with this as well. You have the palm trees, the green zipper. This is so cute. And it's just, oh, and there's even a pocket in there. Most bags like this, they're just plain. There's actually even a pocket in here, and it's lined on the inside. It has like this like strip right here. Just, that is just really cool. And it's embroidered. That's embroidered. That is a really nice bag, you guys. And this I didn't buy. It was just in my order. That is awesome. And then there's the same rise by lifting others. That is so cool. That was just in addition. Like, I can't believe that. So the 3 different shirts that I purchased, you even have papers. I just cannot believe everything that goes into this, you guys. Oh wait, and there's even a free item in here. What? See, I told you, I didn't even open all of this yet. I saw there was a bag on the top. I didn't even see the design on it. And I said, let me just wait. And then I was going to just show you guys in a video. Because again, I didn't think I was getting the other one again. So I was just going to do a video showing you the shirts that I got. So you would know you can purchase them that way if you wanted. So again, Bella in Canvas. And I love this green color. So this is the one I got for fall. It says pumpkin spice everything, please. Definitely. I am all about pumpkin spice. And then once it's peppermint mocha, I switched to peppermint mocha. But I think that is absolutely adorable. I love that green. And I think that's going to be my perfect fall shirt. And I'm so excited. So down inside of that one was this and this. And it says thankful, grateful, and blessed. And since that is a pumpkin theme, look, there's pumpkins on this one. That is actually a really pretty card if you wanted to put in a frame for like the holiday season. Thankful, grateful, and blessed. I love that. And then down in here, that is just crazy that they put this in here too. I just can't believe that. So it says life needs more fireflies and back porches. That is so cute. And then this one is a bracelet. It's like all little blinged out in there. I'm gonna save this for one of you guys because I have so many bracelets that I would rather just pass this down and save for you guys, but I cannot believe that was in here as well. I can't believe that. So then here is the butterfly. The butterfly. How do I open this? The butterfly. Did you see the butterfly? It says, do small things with great love. Oh my God. That one I'm probably definitely framing. Oh my gosh. So collect beautiful moments. Do small things with great love. Oh my gosh. Put that butterfly. So this one I got peace, love, and coffee. And I did it on a black shirt. Peace, love, coffee. I love that. So here's that one. And then the last one that I chose is a navy blue. And this one says, chasing sunshine and we rise by lifting others. I just can't believe there's these cards in every single one. And then this one says, worry less, live more. Definitely. Worry less, live more. And I love that navy, like that dark blue. I don't think I have something this dark of a blue when it comes to the Bella and Canvas. I think they're a little bit lighter. So I'm really excited to have like this deep, dark navy blue. And I love that saying. So that was my order that I placed. And again, I cannot believe all of these things that you get. This was in there and that bag, like holy moly. That is absolutely amazing. So have you guys gone to their site? Did you check out all of the shirts from me showing you this box last time? Are you gonna go check them out now? Definitely let me know. Again, I wanted to show you those shirts that I bought just so you would see that you can purchase anything individually without going to the subscription. The subscription, you're gonna save some money and you're gonna have that cool random t-shirt every single month, different color, different saying, that kind of thing. So you can do whatever your little heart desires, but I love that you have both options. So if you wanna check them out, they will be listed down below. And don't forget, SheCrafty 20 will save you 20% off your very first box if you are interested. And for this one, there is another type of an option. So the t-shirt of the month club is, and the free gift, because that's in there always as well, it's at $19.95 is where it starts at. The bigger in sizes that you go, it'll go up like another $1 or $2 as you get higher, but it starts at the $19.95 and it goes all the way up to 4XL for the sizes and starts at small. So unisex small short sleeve all the way up to unisex 4X for the sizing that you can choose. They also have a 3-month subscription, a 6-month subscription, and a 12-month subscription if you would like to save money. But then they also have there's a boutique bag VIP membership or a deluxe boutique bag VIP membership. So there's 2 other memberships if you wanted to do like the accessories and not the shirt. Or if you wanted to go to the shirt, you can do, like I said, one month at a time, or you can save money prepaying for a longer subscription. So everything will be listed down below for you to pop on over and take a look, and my code will be there for you to save some money if you would like. If you'd like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I'd love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. What do you think of this color? What do you think of the design of the shirt? What do you think of the 3 that I purchased? Definitely let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.